Hi, this is Chuck Martin at the AI Summit in New York. I'm happy to say I have with me here Dan Kurdys, Vice President Global Business Lead for Gen AI at Bayer Crop Science. Welcome.
Welcome, yeah. Thanks, Chuck.
So Gen AI, an actual lead for Gen AI. Did you think a few years ago that would even exist?
No, it's been a fantastic journey. We've really enjoyed going from the early days of just seeing how GPT performed in agronomy to now having our own solution launched internally, trained with our data. So it's been a wonderful journey.
So how did you end up with Gen AI in your title?
Yeah, so it started as a side project, really. It starts with a problem. And one of the problems in agriculture is there's a lot of specialized knowledge needed, and it's hard to get to. It's hard to get to experts. And so we thought we could support that with Gen AI and ran some experiments, and it turned out it worked. That our data and training it really makes a difference and helps experts get answers faster and get those to farmers so that they can do what they need to do.
So where do you fit in the organization, or where does Gen AI fit in the organization?
Yep, so at Bayer, we use Gen AI, we're experimenting across R&D, product supply, as well as commercial models. And so I sit in what's focused on commercial deployments of Gen AI. So making solutions that augment our sales teams, but also generating models now. So we launched a small language model that we fine-tuned. It's from Microsoft's Phi 3 family of models. We fine-tuned it with our data, and it's called Eli Crop Protection. And it's really focused on a better out-of-the-box model to support ag enterprises in building their own solutions.
So does a company like Bayer, because you're obviously very large, have to rely on a Microsoft kind of company for that aspect of large language models?
When it started 2 years ago, it was kind of out of reach to fine-tune a model, right? This was the realm of these big technology companies and lots of capital. But now the models have developed to a point where fine-tuning is really becoming an opportunity for domain players to come in and make domain models like Bayer, so it's more approachable. And then we do it and use our expertise and training in combination with Microsoft's knowledge of the models, and we're able to create a really good solution for other enterprises to use in the domain.
So you spoke a little while ago in the Visionaries Lounge. Tell me what you talked about there.
Yeah, and there I was just sharing our story of being a practitioner of building for our domain and encouraging others that they should get in and build stuff, right? That this is really a cool technology that can be purpose fit for a domain and unlock long-standing challenges and productivity.
So is it fun?
Oh, I love it. I really do love it. It's such a great space. It moves so fast. You can learn a ton about just different areas of science and whether it be neuroscience or coding. It's really cool just to think about knowledge in general and how people learn and think in the context of training a Gen AI model. It's a lot of fun.
So how do you stay current?
So for me, it's reading the papers that come out, following practitioners on X. That seems to be a space where a lot of the innovators in the space, the builders in the space are posting what they're learning. And then building stuff with my team in the company is a great way to learn and stay current and on the front edge.
So a year from now, we're sitting here having a conversation about Gen AI and the future of AI. What would we be talking about?
Yeah, I think at Bayer we will have proven that we can really make models that cover a full range of applied agronomy topics all over the world, and we're deploying those and helping our people be smarter than the current way they do it, and tapping into that kind of a 20-year veteran knowledge, right? That institutional knowledge, and being able to train a model on that. I think that's really the future.
I look forward to that conversation. Thank you. This is Chuck Martin at the AI Summit in New York.